Happy Veganuary, day 8. Today we're making my mom's chocolate chip recipe, and they're amazing. To start, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Combine 15 milliliters of flax with 45 milliliters of water in a small bowl, and let sit for 10 minutes. Cream together 125 milliliters of unsalted vegan butter, 250 milliliters of packed brown sugar, and 45 milliliters of regular sugar on medium until smooth. Beat in chia mixture, 10 milliliters of vanilla, sift in 625 milliliters of cake and pastry flour, 2 milliliters of baking soda, baking powder, 2 milliliters of salt, and 7 milliliters of instant espresso. Now you sift. Stir into wet mixture. Again, don't forget not to overbeat. Grab a spatula to wipe down the sides. Add 225 grams of vegan, fair trade, organic, semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's no good. It's not coming off. And now that the chocolate chips are in, okay, drop dough by heaping spoonfuls onto a silicone mat on a baking sheet, 4 centimeters apart. Bake for 10 minutes. Go on, eat them all. Just kidding, sort of. Save some. Come on. It's like a hug from home. Oh my gosh, so good.